Hey, to create folders on the home screen in the Google Pixel 8a, all you have to do is just to click and hold on one of the icons, for example, the Google Chrome, and then you have to move this icon above another icon. So as you can see here, I can find the camera icon, and when I'm gonna put this Google Chrome icon right here, I can find this small highlight, and now when I release, I will actually create the folder. Now when I click and hold on this folder, I can move it anywhere, and if I want to add additional apps, for sure I can do this. So let's, for example, bring something from the app drawer, the Google TV, click and hold, then drag them right here. And as you can see, the folder appears right here. When you click on it, you can click on the Google name, on this name, and input your custom name if you want. Then click here. And as you can see, you can make the folder bigger when you just click on it. But when you click outside, it will be actually smaller. When you click and hold it, you can actually remove it from the screen. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.